I'm back with another air dry clay video, and today I'm going to be making something a little bit different. So we're actually going to be making some magnets today. I cut out this little template using some paper, and now I'm going to trace it out with an X-Acto knife. This makes it really easy to get consistent shapes. And I also have a few other templates that I made out of paper as well. I think it's a good alternative if you don't have cookie cutters in the shape that you want. Now that we traced it out, we're just going to go back in and actually cut them out. It didn't cut out as cleanly as I expected because the clay is so soft, so I'm just going to remove the excess and then smooth it out a little bit. Also, please remember that air dry clay shrinks as it dries, so make a template that's a little bit bigger than what you want the final size to be because it's going to shrink down. I'm mainly making sea creature magnets, but then I decided that I wanted to do a tomato last minute. I don't know why, but I find tomatoes to be so cute, so I always try to find an excuse to make them. Now I'm scoring my clay so I can attach the two pieces properly. Ideally, you would also want to use some slip, but I didn't have any today because I was too lazy to make it. So this is how the tomato turned out, kind of chubby. Now I'm going to be working on the little fish. First, you're going to want to go in with some water, and then after, go in with your wooden stick to smooth out any creases that you couldn't get with your fingers. I like my pieces to have rounded edges, so that's why I'm rounding out all the edges with some water. But if you want it to be more blocky, don't do this. Now I'm pushing in a magnet, so there's some guidelines. Using the guidelines, I'm gonna cut out a little circle of clay and then replace it with a magnet. Then I'm doing the same thing to the tomato one. Here are all of them. I'm gonna finish it in part 2.